Ever stared at a TradingView chart, feeling like you're missing a secret code that unlocks profitable trades? You're not alone. Millions of traders worldwide rely on TradingView for its powerful charting tools and vibrant community. But what if you could take your analysis a step further, automating your strategies, receiving instant alerts, and visualizing complex data in a way that makes sense to you? That's where TradingView scripts come in. Think of them as mini programs written in PineScript, TradingView's proprietary language. These scripts can do everything from painting custom indicators on your charts to backtesting your trading ideas against historical data. They can generate buy and sell signals based on your specific criteria, and even send you notifications directly to your phone when those conditions are met. Now, the burning question: can you sell these powerful tools? Absolutely. The TradingView community is a massive marketplace hungry for innovative and effective scripts. Whether you've developed a unique indicator that identifies hidden divergences, a sophisticated strategy that capitalizes on market volatility, or a suite of tools designed for a specific trading style, there's a strong possibility that other traders will find value in your creation. So, how do you go about turning your coding skills into a revenue stream? TradingView provides a robust platform for script publishing. You can choose to make your scripts publicly available for free, allowing you to build a reputation and potentially attract users to other paid offerings. Alternatively, you can offer your scripts as invite-only, granting access only to those who purchase a license. Setting a price for your script is a crucial step. Consider the complexity of your code, the value it provides to users, and what similar scripts are selling for in the market. You might offer a one-time purchase fee or a recurring subscription, depending on the nature of your script and the ongoing support or updates you plan to provide. Beyond simply publishing your script, effective marketing is key. Create compelling descriptions that clearly articulate the benefits of your tool. Showcase its performance with backtesting results and real-world examples, while being mindful of TradingView's guidelines on performance claims. Engage with the TradingView community, respond to comments and questions, and consider creating video tutorials to demonstrate how to use your script effectively. Building a successful business selling TradingView scripts takes time, effort, and a genuine understanding of traders' needs. You'll need to provide ongoing support, address bug fixes, and potentially even update your scripts as market conditions evolve. However, for those with the coding skills and a passion for trading, the opportunity to share your expertise and generate income through TradingView scripts is very real. You're not just selling lines of code, you're offering traders an edge, a way to potentially improve their decision-making and navigate the complexities of the market with greater confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.